If your business feeds your family, listen carefully. Your grandson won't inherit your work ethic. He'll inherit whatever you structured. You answered every call. You carried the stress. You built something real. But here's the truth. Most business owners don't say out loud. If everything lives in your head, if the systems aren't written, if the ownership isn't clear, your family doesn't inherit a business. They inherit confusion. Hard work is honorable, but structure is love. If you've done well, now is the time to change the narrative. Not I did good for myself, but I built something that continues. If that matters to you, step into the clarity room. That's where we build beyond ourselves. The link is in the description, or you can go to asksamelellis.com.